Assalamu alaikum. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Ma'am Tutorial BD. In this video, I will show you how to work on the formatting text, like how we change font, font style, font color, font size, text highlight color, and change case. Let's go to the desktop. So I'll start with the font and font style. I have just written some simple text. In front of that, I will apply that kind of things. So I written that I am going to arrange a party in the evening. What I wrote, I am going to arrange a party in the evening. So I want to change the font for this line. So how do I change it? First, I select the text here, like that. I'll select until evening. And I will click on this list. Which list? This list. And you see there are so many fonts available. You can see Calibri Light, Calibri, Bookman, Old Style. A lot of fonts are available there. I'll just move my mouse and you will see the font is changing. See, I just moving my mouse and the font is changing. Just see, I am moving my mouse and the background font is changing automatically. So I will select this font itself. So still, if you want, select the text and you can change the font. See, this one I selected. If you want, you can select any font. For this, you have to select the sentence first. After that, you can click this area, see, this area, and you can choose any one. Sorry. See? I think you can do easily. You can change the font easily like that. Next, if you want the font style to bold, so same way, you have to select the text and you can just click on the bold or press Ctrl B like that. First of all, I will select the sentence and see here is the bold. You can see the sentence is automatically come as bold. Again, one click, normal, another click, bold, another click, normal. And if you want to use the keyboard, then you have to select first the line, the sentence, then if you press your keyboard Control B. See, the line come as bold. Similarly, if you select this text and if you want to italic, so you can press Control I like that. See, that is italic. First of all, select the line and click this italic. Here is the italic. If you click here, see, the sentence has come as italic. One click, another click, it will come normal. If you press another time, it will come italic. Another time, normal. And if you want to use your keyboard, then you can press first, select the sentence and press Control I. See, the sentence come automatically italic. Similarly, if you select this text and if you want to underline, so I'm going to the next line, select the line or sentence and you have to click this area, see, U, it is underlined. Just I press, just I click, see the line is come as underline. Okay, again I select and second time underline remove. Again it is come as underline. Again underline remove. If you want to use your keyboard, then Control U. Press Control U. You can see the line is already underlined. Next, if you want to change font color, so this is the font color. I select this line first and I'll see this area, see, I'll click this area font color, I'll click this area font color. There are lots of color available here. So I'll select, let's say, dark blue. See the font color change. Again, for example, if I don't like this color, if I want to change the color, I'll click this area and I'll press red. You can see the entire text font color change as red. Similarly, if you increase the font size, first I will select this line. You can press this area. See, the font size is increasing. The font size is increasing. And if you want to decrease the font size, then just you see this area and click. The font size is decreasing. Also, you can drop down. Also, you can choose this drop down. Also, you can choose this drop down. See, here is 20. If you just click here and type 16 and then enter. See, the font size is now 16. Okay, you want to increase the font size, then select this and just type 20, then enter. See, the font size is increased. Okay, one more time. If you want to increase more than 20, then select this 20. Just click one time and select, and you put 30. Then enter. See, the font size already increased. Okay, again, if you want to put font size 16, then select this 30 and then paste, type 16 and then enter. See, the font size is 16. You can select any of them. Similarly, if I highlight text color, how do I highlight? Select the sentence first. I will click this area, text highlight color. Okay, if I click, a lot of color are there. Okay, I will paste this one. See, the text color highlighted already. Okay, if I don't like this one, if I want to change this text highlight color, I will select again and I will go again this place and I will make this. If you want to change again, then select this line and go to this area, click and paste this one. Like that, you can change the font highlight. You can change highlight text color. The last one we have change case. Change case in Word is very important. What type of case you want? Lowercase, uppercase, capitalized case, word, or double case. I will select the entire text. Then I will click this area. See the change case. Now you can see I will select the entire text, then I will select the entire text. Then I will click this area and select lowercase. See the first lowercase. You can see all words, all alphabet are lowercase, small letters. Okay. Now I select again and I will click this area again and I will put uppercase. Now you can see all words, all capitals are uppercase. Similarly, now I click capitalize each word. I will select this line and as this I will click this area and I will click capitalize each word. You can see now every word starting with capital word. See I, A capital, G capital, T capital, A capital, and here also A capital, P capital, I capital, T capital, evening capital. It's called capitalize each word. Now I will select again and I will click this area and as a default I will click sentence case. Sentence case means it is my full sentence and only I, first capital is capital and then all are small. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching this video. To get my next video, please like and share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.